Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today I am going to show you how to format cells using formulas and conditional formatting. So let's go and see how we can do this. This is the dataset that I am going to use today. Here you can see that we have the employee names and also we have the annual salary for each employee. Now here what I want to do is to highlight and format those cells that has the value that are greater than $100,000. So how we can do this? Using conditional formatting. Select the entire values, then go to the conditional formatting here. Here you can see that we have new rule. Click on new rule, and here we have an option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Click on it. We will add our formula equal this cell, which is the annual salary, should be greater than the target, which is $100,000. In the conditional formatting, if this formula is true, then it will format our cells. If it's not true, then it will not format our cells. So let's go and choose our formatting. Click on format. I want to fill the background color of it to this color, and also I want to go to the font tab and bold it. Then click on OK. OK. You can see that it highlighted all of my cells. There is a point that we should always consider before using conditional formatting, especially using formulas. So let's go and edit our rule that we applied earlier. Select all of these cells, go to the conditional formatting. Here we have an option, manage rules. If we want to edit or delete any rules, we can use manage rules here. Click on manage rules. This is the rule that I applied earlier. Here we have an option, edit rule. Click on edit rule. You can see that here we have the formula. The formula is wrong because it is fixed input values. Now what it will do is it will evaluate the same formula for each cell. Here we have B5, which is $141,000, which is greater than $100,000. So the formula is true for the first cell, but you can see that it will apply the same formula for each cell. That's why it will be true for each cell, because here we have fixed value. So what we can do is we will remove the $sign from here, then click on OK and apply. Now you can see that it formatted only those cells that have the value which is greater than $100,000. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.